I'm Josh with Skid Pro. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the Mini Snowblower. Not only do we know a thing or two about snow in Minnesota, the snowblower is near and dear to us. Skid steer snowblowers were one of the first products we came to market with. And for years, folks have been clamoring for us to take our industry-leading design to the Mini walk-behind market. Well, that wait is over, and you won't be disappointed. Let's break down why we believe it's superior and how it benefits you, the operator. First and foremost, this Mini snowblower is built tough. We haven't cut any corners. It's constructed with heavy-duty, high-tensile steel and tips the scales at over 700 pounds. The frame, the deep side plates, the reinforced QT area, and the auger are all industry-leading and robust, ensuring it can handle anything any mini skid or small skid steer can throw at it. You heard that right. It's heavy enough to handle smaller, full-size skid loaders. And we've got the bolt-on plates to adapt it to them. But I'm getting ahead of myself. More on that later. Now back to the frame, build, and the overall box design of that blower. The extra high 28-inch intake height not only leads the pack, it allows you to handle huge snows without worrying about snow coming over the top of the blower. And better yet, it doesn't sacrifice operator visibility due to the intuitive see-through slots in the top of the hood that allow you to keep an eye on the auger and what's out in front of the blower. Performance and function wrapped up in one. Not only is the entire box of the blower body built higher than the competition, it is built sturdier. A Skid Pro staple on the big skid steer snowblowers has always been our extra large, deep side plates. They cover two critical aspects. First, being extended fully covers the auger from the side. There's no portion of that auger that sticks out in front. This is a huge win in added protection and durability. It isn't if, but when you're eventually going to hit a building, an obstacle, a curb, and I would much rather hit that with the heavy-duty reinforced side plates than an auger that's spinning very fast. Even with the built-in pressure relief, we don't want that auger out hitting obstacles. Second, the deep side plates give added length, both front and back, to be able to reinforce and gusset for a true industrial strength and boxed-in frame. This is not a flimsy blower, and like we mentioned before, engineered to even withstand full-size skid steers. Contrast our design with deep side plates and an extra heavy-duty body to our competition, who exposes the auger, cuts back their side plates. Not only does this sacrifice strength and durability, the open box has a tendency to kick out more snow with the auger paddles, creating a dirtier job. Our snowblower is designed for ease of use and minimal maintenance. Direct drive auger, fan, and hydraulic chute rotation, along with hydraulic deflector up top, eliminate the need for chains, sprockets, or electric actuators. This reduces maintenance and downtime at the worst time. The direct drive system also provides reliable performance and extra high torque to handle the toughest snow and ice conditions. Now let's talk about each of the key components individually. Our auger features the tightest spiral pattern in the industry, delivering more spirals per foot than any other mini blower. 25 linear feet to be exact. The tight spiral helps give more even, consistent, clean flow into the fan for not only better snowblowing performance, but a cleaner pass-by-pass job as well. Our heavy-duty auger is constructed with thick-walled square tubing at its core for ultimate durability. Its 15-inch diameter is bigger and tougher than almost any mini blower out there. We implemented ice pick serrations on the 1/4-inch heavy-duty flighting. It's incredible for aggressive cutting in hard-packed drifts and iced-over snow. This auger is powered by a direct drive hydraulic motor. With this, it has built-in pressure relief, so when you hit something, the pressure spikes, oil bypasses the motor, simply reverse the flow, pull the obstacle out, and you're off and going. No chains, no sprockets, no fuss. The fan or impeller is another crucial component. Our fan is 16 inches in diameter with 5 blades. Each blade is 3/8 inch thick and has deep curved paddles with reinforced gussets for incredible strength. This design provides superior power and durability. This is the most common component to get bogged down. That is why we run the direct drive high torque motor to power through even the heaviest snows. Our fan bodies have a reinforced and gusseted fan wrapper as well to ensure long-term durability even in extreme commercial conditions. Additionally, one of the most overlooked components and often not even included in lesser quality blowers is the back pressure plate, what we call the restrictor plate. It creates a vacuum effect, allowing for greater snow throwing distance, but also a cleaner cast as well. We also have a high carbon steel cutting edge that's bolt-on removable and replaceable. It ensures long-lasting durability, but also can scrape aggressively for a cleaner finish. The extra large 7.5 inch wide opening on the heavy-duty chute and oversized deflector allow for not only precise snow throwing direction, but more throughput through the chute. This combination, along with the weight and strength of other components, makes our snowblower one of the heaviest in the industry. Some other companies cut corners here, we just refuse. The added height of our chute also helps to keep the snowdrift off the operator, which is even more important on the mini carriers that don't allow the operator to escape the elements in a cab. Just like our big skid blowers, you can remove the chute to aid in being compact for storage or travel purposes with the simple removal of 2 pins and a bracket. Another one of those low-cost, big benefit, no seams from Skid Pro. We were the first company to come to market and popularize the side skid shoe runners. They're such a valuable feature because they give tremendous forgiveness for the operator with more flotation and more surface area to the ground, allowing that blower to float without the need for such precise control at all times. The adjustable side skid runners offer incredible versatility for a variety of snow conditions and surfaces, from asphalt and concrete to gravel and job sites. The side skid shoes also help prevent gravel and debris from entering the blower. Another hard to spot feature on the Skid Pro Mini blowers are the bolt-on QT plates. So if you have a fleet of minis, including some with the Dingo style and some others with the MT Bobcat style, have no fear. You can get our blower and add extra plates to your fleet, allowing you to bolt on or off the plates for ubiquitous use within your operation. You're not tied to one brand of mini skid loader. And like we mentioned before, we also have full-size universal skid steer QT plates available, and our blower is designed to handle it. Lastly, we've got a convenient hose retention ring on the back side of the blower in the QT plate area. This allows you to run your hoses through this for better routing protection, no matter the brand or side your hoses hook up to. This also gives huge uptime protection if your mini skid doesn't have a side hose ring. Skid Pro's legendary 2-year warranty is the best in the skid loader attachment industry, and our reputation proves it out. Remember, a reliable, heavy-duty snowblower can make a significant difference in your winter operation. If you need to clear sidewalks or need to get a blower in tight spaces under the most extreme commercial conditions, and you want lower downtime and better long-term durability, the choice is clear. Get a Skid Pro Mini Snowblower and face winter head-on. If you have any questions or want to learn more, jump on our website at skidpro.com or call a product guru today. And as always, our promise to you, better products, better service, happier customers.